Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really fun mystery box to unbox today, and this one is from Lunar Beauty. So I have this giant box here. I bought the most expensive one on the website. If you guys are unfamiliar with Lunar Beauty, this is Manny MUA's makeup brand, and he actually has some really amazing products. I've reviewed a couple things here on my channel. I love his blush palette, and I love the, I think it's the Eternal Eclipse palette that I have from them. So beautiful, gorgeous formula. So since I really don't have a lot from the brand, I wanted to go ahead and try one of the mystery boxes. So I just went for the big one. This is the $140 Mars box. I am so excited to see what is inside. I know this is a little late to YouTube, but I've been gone, so I'm a little behind on unboxings. I also have not watched any other unboxings because I wanted this to be a surprise. So I'm going to share what's in this box. By the way, my eyeshadow today, I know I'm going to get questions, but I wanted to do something fun for Valentine's Day since it is tomorrow. But I used the new Natasha Denona little mini crush eyeshadow palette today. I used pretty much all the shades to do this fun halo eye. This pink sparkle in here is so much fun. I'll have this one linked down below if this is something you want to check out. You know I'm a sucker for those mini Natasha palettes. But let's get into the unboxing here. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. So I know I was watching actually Manny's video, and he said that there's gonna be 3 exclusive items in this mystery box that he made for the boxes. So I'm wondering if maybe this is one of those items. It has a little makeup bag here that says Lunar Beauty, and it is black. This would be a really nice makeup brush bag for traveling with this size. All right, maybe this isn't an exclusive, but we did get an entire brush set because I remember Lunar Beauty does have brushes. So this is really exciting. Wow, we have so many here. This is what the handles look like. They're a white to black ombre, and they just say Lunar Beauty on them. They're very, very soft. This is the LBF 2 brush. That one's very dense. We have an LBF 3. This one would be nice for blush or contour. This one is the LBF 4. Another one I would probably use for either blush or highlighter. We have this double-ended one, which would be nice just for travel. It has the little powder side here and then the thinner tip. This one is absolutely huge. This reminds me a lot of the Sephora bronzer brush or the Marc Jacobs bronzer brush that used to be really popular. This is the LBF 1. So this would actually probably be good for either powder or even like cream bronzer. These are all face brushes I'm gathering. This is the LBF 6. So LBF must be Lunar Beauty face. This is definitely a highlight brush. And last but not least, we have the LBF 5, so it's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna have to look at what all these brushes are for, but I was talking earlier when I unboxed my Beautylish Lucky Bag that I needed some more face brushes, so I'm really excited to receive that and this nice little traveling case for them. So there is some stuff that's loose in here, and a lot of stuff is wrapped up, just really cute. I love the presentation. Let's go with the loose items. So this might be an exclusive item. This is the Lunar Beauty Liquid and Powder Multi-Purpose Beauty Sponge here. So we did get a little sponge. This is a really pretty kind of ombre cream tan little sponge here. It has almost an oval shape, and it does have the Lunar Beauty logo in the middle. It says one side you can use for liquid and one side for powder, which is really cool. It's latex free as well. We also have, it looks like, some lashes here. I've been wanting to try the lashes from them. I think this packaging is so pretty. So it opens up like this. How fun. And then you have your faux mink lashes. So I'm thinking, I was seeing if these have a name. I don't think they do. Or maybe these are exclusive for the box. Maybe he designed them for the box. That would be cool. So that's the next item. We also have some lip products here. I've heard so much good things about their glosses and also liquid lipsticks, so really excited to see what we have here. We first got a lip gloss, and this is called Dreamy. And it is this really pretty kind of peachy color. Beautiful packaging. It has a little diamond in the top. Smells like vanilla cake, and it just has this very light peachiness in the color. So beautiful. We also have the mystery one. So this is the exclusive to the mystery boxes color. I saw this on Manny's preview video and it looked really pretty. It's like a champagne kind of color in the tube, but it just adds a lot of really gorgeous shimmer and sparkle to the lips. This would be such a pretty just topper. Look how shiny that is. That's stunning. I can't get over how good these smell. I'm so excited. I love everything cake scented. All right, and then we have a liquid lipstick, and this one is in, oh, Aphrodite, you guys. Allie Dawson, you guys know I love her. She raves about this liquid lipstick, so I am so excited to have this in my collection. This is her favorite red. Oh, this smells so good too. I really need a good red, so I cannot wait for this. It's just a perfect classic red color, and yeah, since it's Allie's favorite, I know I'm gonna like it. Really happy that that one was included because I really wanted to purchase that one myself. So then we have this necklace. I remember I saw that some would include this little necklace because they didn't have like enough for all the boxes, but it is this little moon necklace. It's actually very cute. It looks like it has a little silver chain and then the moon. The Lunar Beauty brand, obviously it centers a lot around the moons and stuff like that. A lot of his packaging has moons on it, and it's obviously called Lunar Beauty. So it's a very popular theme here. All right, let's open up these wrapped items. Oh my gosh, okay, so we got the Moon Prism blush palette. This is my favorite. I actually wanted to buy another one because I broke the mirror, and I'm really weird with packaging and stuff like that. Like if something's messed up on it, I just tend to not use it, and it really just bothers me. I don't know. I know it's so random, but I'm actually happy to have another one. But yeah, this is literally such a good blush palette. I remember this was on Sephora for a bit while Lunar Beauty was on Sephora, and it was sold out like all the time. So pretty. The shades in here, oh my goodness, they're so gorgeous. The perfect pinky and peach colors. One of my favorite formulas of all time. It's just stunning in the packaging. It's beautiful. So really excited and kind of shocked that that's in this mystery box. Like these are good boxes. It looks like we got something else here. Oh no, the Eternal Eclipse palette. I do have this one already. It looks like we might have some more stuff in here though, but this palette, oh my goodness, this is a gorgeous one. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. I did a whole review on this one, and it is like the best smoky eye palette. You guys have to check this out if you haven't. It's stunning. So that is included in here, which is amazing because this is well, it came out last year. So, I mean, it's a fairly new palette from Lunar Beauty, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So this is going to go in my little giveaway box. I have like a ton of those where I just kind of throw stuff in and do random giveaways here and there on my channel, but that's really cool to receive. But I do have that one already, but it looks like we have some other stuff here. So oh, we got the MOONSPELL Volume 2 palette. That's really cool. This is like the most recent palette I think that came out. It's based off of the original MOONSPELL, which was super popular from him. I do have that one. So this one comes out like a little book, and then you have your shades. So this is kind of like a purple themed eyeshadow palette, and it's just kind of witch theme that came out for Halloween. It has different names of all different witches on it, and it looks absolutely stunning, especially these glitters. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try those out. I think it's going to be so beautiful. So we did get another full-size palette in here, and then we do have one more. It looks like a palette in here too. What is this? Oh, I think this just came out recently too. This is the Outer Dimension face palette from Lunar Beauty. I do not own this one. Let's see here. So this is what it looks like. Again, beautiful packaging. I love the holographic going on here. And we open it up, and we have a little face palette. So this has just a little bit of everything, and it looks like we could do bronzer, highlighter in here, just a ton of different shades. And then there's also a white and then a dark, so I guess you could kind of mix and match and create your own colors here. It looks like they are pretty much all mattes to me, but I'm curious to try this out as like setting the face, trying out different contours and stuff like that. I'll definitely want to watch some reviews on this and see how people are using it. But yeah, another fairly new product that just launched, and it's in the mystery box. So that's actually everything in this box. I'm really excited. I definitely got some new stuff to try out. Really happy with the lip colors, and we did get a couple new palettes, which is awesome. So this was the most expensive box, and it did come with 3 like full-size palettes, which is so cool. I was hoping to get a couple more of the eyeshadow palettes that I didn't own already, but that's totally okay. I still think this was definitely a really good deal. I'll see if I can kind of get an idea for what it would be worth. I'll insert the value over here. Just an idea. I could be wrong on some stuff since some stuff might not be listed on the website, but overall this was a really nice mystery box. I just kind of bought it to add to my collection and try more of the brands, so I'll definitely be giving a lot of these products a try and seeing what my thoughts are, and I'll let you guys know what I think. But so far I've really been impressed with everything Lunar Beauty has come out with. But that's gonna be it for this video. Just kind of a quick one today. I wanted to do this unboxing. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you guys have tried Lunar Beauty, let me know if you guys have any favorites. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.